Welcome to our deep dive into pizza. This delicious dish, typically made of dough, tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings, is baked at high temperatures for a crispy yet chewy crust. Originating in Italy, pizza has evolved globally into countless forms. Pizza has ancient roots, with cultures adding toppings to bread for flavor since what feels like the beginning of time. The introduction of tomatoes from the New World transformed pizza into what we know today. Vendors in Naples began selling pizza to the poor, with ingredients like garlic, anchovies, and cheese gaining popularity in the 18th and 19th centuries. Rafael Esposito, a Neapolitan pizzaiolo, further solidified pizza's legacy in 1889 when he created the pizza margherita in honor of Queen Margherita of Italy. This pizza, featuring tomatoes, basil, and mozzarella to represent the Italian flag, is a staple even today. Pizzaiolos in Naples take pizza making seriously, setting specific rules for authentic Neapolitan pizza, including the use of a wood-fired oven, hand-kneading the dough, and maintaining a specific size and thickness. Despite these strict traditions, pizza has continued to evolve and adapt globally. Pizza arrived in the US with Italian immigrants in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The first pizzeria in New York City, Lombardi's, opened in 1905, selling tomato pies to local workers. Other pizzerias soon opened in Boston, New Jersey, and Chicago. Pizza grew in popularity post-World War II, becoming a fun fast food staple in American culture. The pizza chain boom started in the 1950s with Shakey's Pizza, Pizza Hut, and Little Caesars. Today, pizza styles vary widely across the US, reflecting the dish's diverse history and development. New York pizza, for example, is known for its large foldable slices and thin crust. It consists of high-gluten bread flour, olive oil, yeast, sugar, and of course, New York's famous mineral-rich tap water. Its tomato sauce and low-moisture mozzarella cheese are also distinct features. Chicago's deep dish pizza, introduced by Ike Sewell and Rick Ricardo in 1943, has a crunchier and thicker crust and is cooked in a cake-like pan. California-style pizza, originating in Alice Waters' Chez Panisse Cafe, which merged New York and Italian thin crust with toppings inspired by Californian cuisine. It later evolved under Ed Ledoux, founder of California Pizza Kitchen. Detroit's Pizza, a Sicilian-style pizza variant, was created by Gus Guerra in 1946. Its high hydration dough leads to an open, airy crust akin to focaccia. This style gained national popularity during the 2010s. Internationally, pizzas vary greatly. In Canada, Sam Panopoulos invented Hawaiian pizza, while Quebec is known for its pizzaghetti, spaghetti on top of pizza. I'd even eat that. Mexico's teleuda, Brazil's thin crust pizza, Argentina's fugazza, and Russia's seafood-centric makba pizza offer their unique takes. Travel to Denmark and get Copenhagen-style pizza, which uses sourdough, or hop over to Lebanon, where pizza is a breakfast staple. Turkish lahmacun is a thin meat-top pizza, and Sweden's kebab pizza merges Italian and Middle Eastern cuisines. India's street food pizza emphasizes vegetables and spices, while Japan's okonomiyaki is a pizza pancake hybrid. Korean pizzas feature diverse toppings like calamari and kimchi. China's zhangbing is an oily dough pizza with spicy ground pork, and Scotland's pizza crunch is a deep-fried pizza slice. And those are just some of the many variations of pizza you can find throughout the world. I didn't even mention dessert pizza, and that absolutely exists. It's basically dough topped with things like Nutella and fruit. And speaking of dessert, pizza is often considered to be junk food, and honestly, sure, that's correct. But you can get all of the food groups from a slice of pizza: carbs, proteins, dairies, vegetables, you name it. Pizza dough contains B vitamins, and cheese contains protein and calcium. And tomato sauce isn't necessarily bad for you, depending on what you put in it. But to describe pizza as a healthy food, sure, it's a little bit of a stretch. Now, you can make healthier versions of pizza by making with whole grain crusts, lean proteins, and healthy veggies, but at the end of the day, most pizza is made of carbs, cheese, and fatty meats. Many commercially prepared pizzas are high in calories and contain unhealthy fats, sodium, and refined carbohydrates, which can all contribute to weight gain, high blood pressure, and other health issues if eaten to excess. Processed meats like pepperoni and sausage have also been linked to things like heart diseases and certain types of cancers. Pizza is not just a favorite food, it's also been a prominent part of pop culture over the years. I mean, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles loved pizza so much they had it delivered to the sewers, and they turned a whole generation of of kids into pizza fiends in the process. Walter White famously threw a pizza on his roof in Breaking Bad. Spike Lee centered his New York City movie Do the Right Thing around the fictitious Sal's Pizzeria. And America lost its mind when Pizza Hut introduced stuffed crust pizza with cheese baked into the crust. And of course, the internet lost its mind over the pizza rat. Remember that rat in New York City that was caught sneaking a slice down the stairs to the subway? Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world. We eat it at restaurants, we get it delivered, we even have apps to track where it's at. We cook it at home, frozen or from scratch. Different countries, even different cities, have their own distinct ways of preparing pizza. The options are endless, but at its core, pizza's just dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings. Any chef can come up with their own spin on any of those things to create a pizza all their own. But the beauty of it is, you don't have to. At the end of the day, if you want to make a pizza and you don't know where to start, it's hard to go wrong with the original Neapolitan pizza. It's a simple pizza made with simple ingredients. Dough made of flour, water, salt, and yeast. A sauce made of crushed San Marzano tomatoes and fresh mozzarella cheese. Don't overthink it, just put it on a pan, stick it into the oven, and of course, enjoy. I don't know about you, but I could definitely go for a slice of pizza right about now. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, like, comment, subscribe to Tastemade. Thanks for watching Food History. Okay, we'll see you next time. Pizza time.